Today I'm going to introduce another air tool, the Turbo Air Blowgun 9040T-1. The new Turbo Air Blowgun optimally complements our product portfolio in the field of pneumatic tools. Here we have a very powerful, handy air blowgun that's extremely effective thanks to the swirled air impact. The Turbo Air Blowgun is ideal for cleaning dirty surfaces, such as upholstery, removing dirt from wheel housings, removing pet hair from floor mats, and also for professional vehicle preparation. Especially for interior cleaning, it's vital to remove excess cleaning fluids from surfaces, seams and joints before you can begin applications like polishing and sealing leather surfaces. It's also ideally suited for preparatory cleaning when removing a wide variety of parts. This makes the new air blowgun suitable for use on machinery, vehicles, in workshops and in woodworking. The built-in swirl nozzle creates a very strong air pulse, making it easier to remove even the most stubborn dirt. The weight of the Turbo Air Blowgun is only 163 grams, making the gun ideal for long cleaning jobs. The maximum permissible working pressure is 12 bar. We recommend a hose diameter of 10 millimeters. A coupler plug with a nominal size of 7.2 millimeters is included in delivery. Do you want to remove stubborn dirt with a powerful yet handy air blowgun or dry parts and surfaces? Then our Turbo Air Blowgun 9040T-1 is the right choice. Are you looking for an air blowgun with a long lance for hard-to-reach places? Then take a look here. If you're interested in a wash gun that makes cleaning quick, easy and gentle, I recommend watching this video here. Don't want to miss any product news from HAZET? Then subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for looking in.